In this video, we will walk you through how to replace your refrigeration unit in your vending machine. You will need a number 2 Phillips or 1/4 inch hex head driver. Make sure you begin by unplugging the machine. Next, disconnect the refrigeration harness. Then remove 2 base screws near the bottom of the machine. Follow that by removing the 6 screws to the evaporator compartment. Once the evaporator compartment cover is off, remove the foil tape so you can take out the foam insert. Then remove the permagum that seals the drain tube line and the refrigeration line. Pull out on the evaporation unit a bit first before lifting up on the compressor itself. Then pull the base out a little. You can then pull both out together. To reinstall the refrigeration unit, push the compressor on the left and the evaporation unit on the right in together. Make sure that each line goes into its slot with the drain tube going in at the bottom. Check to make sure the reefer unit is back securely inside the machine with the evaporation section pushed all the way to the back. Next, place the foam insert covering the evaporation section. Use the foil tape to cover the seams up so no air leaks. Then take the 6 screws to place the black cover back on. Put 2 screws back in the base. Form the permagum around the 2 lines with the drain tube pointing into the drain pan. Connect the reefer harness and push it off to the side. Reach in the back to spin the condenser fan to make sure it spins freely without obstruction. You can feel for the condenser fan blade in the back behind the condenser coil. Make sure there is no interference with the blade.